Google is quietly gearing up to shake the smartphone world again, and the next Pixel series might just rewrite the rules of performance. Leaks suggest the Pixel 11 is not just about small upgrades. We're talking a complete internal makeover, smarter AI, and power efficiency that could finally leave overheating issues behind. Welcome back, viewers. James here. Like, share, and subscribe for more! With the Pixel 10 barely out of the gate, whispers about the Pixel 11 are already everywhere. At the center of attention, the Tensor G6 chip, Google appears ready to push beyond old fabrication limits, possibly moving to TSMC's advanced SuperMem process, promising a smaller, cooler, and faster processor. Early hints suggest a daring CPU layout with multiple high-performance cores designed to crush demanding tasks while keeping battery drain minimal. And on the graphics side, a new 3-core GPU could deliver smoother visuals without frying your device. But that's not all. Google may also be switching its modem supplier. The MediaTek M90, now rumored to replace Samsung's X54000i, promises blazing 12 JPEGs peak downloads, dual-active 5G SEM support, and AI-based optimizations for longer battery life. Early internal tests, codenamed Spacecraft, show this could be the quiet revolution that makes the Pixel 11 cooler and more efficient than ever before. Satellite connectivity, already a Pixel staple, gets an even smarter boost with this change. Meanwhile, leaks from Japan hint at interesting cost dynamics. The Pixel 9 parts cost $40.46, considerably lower than the iPhone 16 Pro at $568, showing Google is balancing innovation with affordability. Smaller screens, efficient batteries, and clever component choices seem to be part of a bigger strategy to compete on both performance and value. But the real question remains, how will these upgrades feel in day-to-day use? In short, the Pixel 11 isn't shaping up as just another yearly refresh. Between a potential 7M Tensor G6, MediaTek modem integration, smarter AI, and a focus on efficiency, Google might finally be ready to redefine what a Pixel can do. I want to hear what you think. Could this be the Pixel leap we've been waiting for? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and I'll catch you in the next tech deep dive.